can't you just use my debit card? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey guys. So today is going to be a maintenance vlog. I'm going to get my eyelashes done, my hair done, and my nails done. I'm not really doing anything special, but you know, your girl has been dusty, so I want to feel cute again. So this is my first time getting my lashes done professionally. So if you're in the Massachusetts area, I'll leave the person that I'm going to his information right here. Yeah, I'm excited. I want dramatic, thoughty. I want it all. I want dramatic, thick, curvaceous, flirty. I just want to, you know, come out a new woman. I'm bald right now, and the lashes that I usually buy are very thick and etc. So, hey guys, so I just finished. So it took about almost 1 hour and 57 minutes, so almost 2 hours. But this is the finishing product. So my eye is still burning because something's wrong with this eye, but I like it. Well, I feel like it needs to grow on me because this is like my first time, but it's cute. I just got to get used to them. I like thick and dramatic lashes. So yeah, hopefully I can sleep good without ruining them because I sleep crazy. But yeah, so I just finished my lashes. They're mad cute. I really think they're cute. I had to draw my eyebrows because I was just like, do I like these? I don't know. So I drew my eyebrows and I actually like them better with my eyebrows drawn on. I just sketched my eyebrows. It was nothing really serious. But now I want to get my nails done. I feel like I want to do that later on. Probably later on. What else was I gonna say? I was snoring on that girl's table. I was sleeping. Yeah, I was really sleeping. Snoring, sleeping. I'm like, girl, you're tired. Yeah, I think I need to get something to eat because I'm starving. So I don't know. I was thinking about the exact place I wanted to go to when I was sleeping. Then I woke up and now I'm just like, what was I thinking about again? Where was that place? But I need to eat healthy because I've gained some weight and I do not want to be heavy. I need to lose 10 pounds because I want to go on vacations. All right, so I just grabbed some lunch. I'm eating plátano with crema. I think that's how you say it. But it's basically plantain with this cheesy sauce, creamy thing. I don't know. It's mad good though. The best. And then I ordered a veggie burrito. I'm gonna eat before I even get into that nail salon. I actually have to pee, but I gotta hold it. I hate using public bathrooms, no lie. Now let's see what this burrito is looking like. As I said, I'm trying to eat healthy. Let me sanitize my hand. I was about to say they gave me tortilla chips and no sauce. But let's try this. So there's no meat in here. This is good. I'll see you guys once I leave because I don't feel like recording in there. Okay guys, so I'm back. I'm fucking freezing. I look dumb, but I'm waiting for my car to warm up. But I got my nails done. They look so cute. They look better than what I had before. So basically she cut down my nails because they were bulky from the previous salon that I went to. So she fixed them and now they look cute. I think black is gonna be my go-to, but I don't know. I normally like the pink, the bubblegum pink. So now I do not want to hit this person's car at all. But now I'm driving to Target. I need to get a blender because I want to start making smoothies for breakfast. And I don't feel like TJ Maxx has blenders because that's closer to me, but whatever. We're just gonna wing it, you know? So I'm gonna get my hair done tomorrow because there's no point of me getting it done today. I don't feel like driving all the way to my job when I have work tomorrow. So I have microlinks in. They're just in a bun right now. So when my hair is completely done, I'm gonna show you guys. But yeah, let me see what's on the radio. The Weeknd's on the radio. Oh, I'm so cold. But yeah, I actually enjoyed getting my nails done. We had a good ass conversation. I like that. Instead of just sitting there in silence, because my plan was to bring my headphones, don't talk to nobody. But you know what? I'm like, I'm gonna have a good conversation today. So I'm still full from my burrito. Honestly, that shit tasted mad good. And I feel like I need to go to the, that's what I need to do. I need to sign up for the gym because I am 200 pounds. Yeah, 200 pounds. Just straight 200. Like, bitch, what? But honestly, I've always been heavy. It's like, I don't know what weighs more, my muscle, my bones, my height. Like, I'm just so confused because I do not look 200 pounds. But my goal weight is 185, and I want to be 185 with a fat ass. I'm calling it into existence. I want to be 185 with a big old booty. Literally. And a snatched waist. And abs. And this and that. But yeah, so I really want to work out. I actually miss working out. It was a good stress reliever. I'm gonna go sign up for the gym. I just hate how they ask you for your fucking routing number and shit like that. Like, oh, can't you just use my debit card? But no. They want all my information. Literally. So after I go to Target, I'm gonna go sign up for the gym and then go see my mom. Alright, it is currently snowing. Like, why the hell is it snowing? Massachusetts, I am tired of you. For real. But I just left Target and... Let me start my car because it's freaking cold. I just left Target. Girl, why did I spend money I didn't need to spend? But I got my pimp juice right here. The lighting is bad. I'm sorry for that. But I'm going to do a Target haul probably when I get home. And then I'm going to record a Target... Oh, why did I do that? Then I'm going to record a Target try-on haul. Probably. Yeah. I don't know, actually. But it's snowing. And it's cold. And I'm about to go to my mommy's house. So I'm about to leave before it gets freaking bad. It was supposed to snow at 5. So that's pretty... I don't even have my lights on. Girl, I'm fucking bugging. Where the hell am I going? I need my fucking lights. Because your girl clearly can't see for shit. And people don't want to fucking wait. Head ass. Everybody wants to go home at the same time. All right, but enough of me ranting. I'll see you guys in the next clip. All right, guys, I am home.
Okay, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Mwah. I'll shut up. I'll let her do her thing. I'll shut up, you guys. My fault.
Bye. You still here?
No fault.
All right, so me and Louis is going to do a Target haul. So I'm just going to show you guys what I got from Target. It is the next day. I didn't shower or anything yet. I just been cleaning. But I got this cute, what is it? Stars Above satin pajama set. I wish it was pants and a top, but it's not. But I'm gonna wear this outside. I'm not wearing this as a pajama as a pajama set, but I got it in a large. I'm actually mad I did, because these look mad big, but who knows. Hopefully my butt grows. But I got these, so this is super cute. I got this cute sweater, a hoodie. It's a cream colored hoodie. Let's see what else I got. I got the Wiggy Wee bonding glue from Shea Moisture. I just wanted to try it out, see if it's like got to be glue or not. I got these. Oh fuck, the camera is so bright. Let me put it here. I got these on clearance. Oh, that's what it looks like. These are bow diamond earrings. It was $6.49. I got this chain belt. I have looks to go with this. I got this e.l.f. Stay All Night Microfine setting mist. It's supposed to last up to 16 hours. I got, my hands are so dry from washing dishes, but I got the Derma E Vitamin C Gentle Daily Cleansing Paste. So this is supposed to be a mask that brightens your skin. I'm just trying to get rid of like my dark spots around my mouth and like on my cheeks or whatever. Then I have this Pacifica Island Vanilla perfume. It smells so good. Yes, it smells so sweet, because that's what I am, sweet. What else do I have? I have this, what do you call this hat? A fedora. I don't know if it fits me. I don't even know how to wear it, but hopefully I can style this, because I'm I'm trying to change my style. I have this sweater. I think I'm gonna do a Target try on haul at this point, because, and I got this black t-shirt. It was $5. I got a white t-shirt that was $5. Okay guys, so I just wanted to give an update on my lashes. So compared to yesterday, they look completely different, because I started picking some off just because I like the wispy look, and I just felt like the original set was just too thick for my liking. But now I'm in love with them. But yeah, I'm in love with them. So that's it. That's the update. And my nails are cute, but my hands are ashy. So okay, so I'm finally at the salon. It's been a long time waiting, but I'm actually getting my hair done today. So this is what it looks like before. A mess. And I took my lashes off. Honestly, I barely have any lashes now, but it was cute for the experience. So yeah. Alright guys, so this is the end of the maintenance vlog. I just did my makeup and my hair for another video, but yeah, I just decided this would have been appropriate. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Mwah.